Good day, children. Today in this video, we are going to see the grammar part for the lesson, the second of music. In this, we are going to learn two verbs and some new phrases. And at the end, we are going to learn how to write a welcome speech. So let's get started. To verb. So children, what is to verb? Like, what was Evelyn determined to do? Now, if a question is asked, what was Evelyn determined to do? What will be the answer? Evelyn was determined to live a normal life. Live is the verb here, to verb, okay? Next, what did Evelyn manage to do? Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers, okay? Now, so what are the italized parts? Answers the question, what was Evelyn determined to do? What did Evelyn manage to do? They begin with a to verb, that is to live, to conceal, to hide, okay? So children, here is a short recollecting part. Pause the video for 2 minutes and try to answer all the questions. Your first question. The school sports team hopes dash. That is, what does it hope to do? Okay, to win the match. Okay, next, we all want to dash. That is, what is it? What do we all want to do? We all want to succeed in our life. Okay, next, they advised the hearing impaired child's mother to consult a doctor. Okay, that is, what did they advise her to do? Okay, they advised her to consult a doctor. Next, the authorities permitted us to construct the building. That is, so the question is, what did the authorities permit us to do? Okay, next, the musician decided to open a school for children. What did the musician decide to do? So the musician decided to open a school for children. Very good. Coming to vocabulary. Now the phrase is take two. What do you mean by take two? Take two is like for something or someone means to begin to like, okay, that thing or that person, or to begin doing something easily. Okay, that is take two. For example, Mrs. Brady never took to Moran. That is, Mrs. Brady never liked Moran. Never is like not. Okay, never liked to Moran, okay, or never went easily with Moran, okay. Next, she was excited about the new job and the hiring took to it, that is, the job, with alacrity. She started her work with enthusiasm, okay. This shows that she started her work with enthusiasm. She was excited about the new job and the hiring took to it, that is the job, with alacrity. Alacrity is like eagerness or keenness, like enthusiasm, yeah, very enthusiastic. So she started her work with enthusiasm. So children, here are some more examples. Now read the first sentence. He took to the new job instantly. He instantly liked the job and was good at it. Okay. Next, she quickly took to the new students at the first day of class. What does this mean? It means that person, the teacher, liked the new students on the first day of class. Okay. Next, they hoped their dog would take to the new kitten. That is, they hoped the dog would like the new kitten. Okay. Next, the boy took his baby sister right away. The boy liked his baby sister right away. Okay. Next, she quickly took to dance. That is, she learned to dance quickly and easily. Yes. She quickly took right to play cricket. What do you mean by that? It means that the person learned how to play the sport quickly and easily. Okay. To learn to accept and deal with an unpleasant situation or event, especially after being upset or angry about it for a long time. Okay? For example, she needed time to come to terms with her grief. Okay? He made little effort to come to terms with his critics. Okay? He made little effort to come to, that is, to accept and deal with his critics. Okay? So children, here is again a recollecting part. So pause the video for 5 minutes and try to answer all these questions. So children, here are your answers. Your first question. When something is revived, what do you mean by revived? Is that lives again or remains dead? Very good. It lives again. That is, to flourish again. Okay? To restore. To consciousness or life. Okay? When a government bans something, it wants it dash to start or to stop. When a thing is banned, it's to stop. Okay? When a government bans something, it wants it stopped. Okay? Next, when something is considered auspicious, what do you mean by auspicious? Do we welcome it or do we avoid it? Yes, very good. We welcome it. So, auspicious is like welcome it. Next, when we take to something, we find it interesting or boring? Very good. Interesting. We find it interesting because it is very easy to us and we like it. Yes? Next, when you appreciate something, you find it good and useful. Yes? Very good. Next, when you replicate something, you do it for the second time. Not for the first time, but for the second time. Okay? When we come to terms with something, it is no longer upsetting us because we have come into terms with that particular thing. So, it is no longer going to upset us. Okay? Now, children, coming to the speaking part. Okay, we are going to welcome a chief guest. Okay? So, how will you welcome a chief guest? Okay? Just imagine the famous singer Kishori Amankar is going to visit your school. You have been asked to introduce her to the audience before her performance. How would you introduce her? Points to remember while preparing welcome speech. Okay? The welcome speech which you are going to prepare is going to be with you. Okay? You're not going to show this to anyone. You're not going to show this to the chief guest or to anyone else. Okay? So you're going to prepare a welcome speech. Now, what is a welcome speech in English? A welcome speech is a speech given by the host at the beginning of a ceremony or an event to show warmth and gratitude towards the people who have taken pains to mark their presence. Okay? It marks the beginning of an event. Okay? The speaker should greet the audience first. First, the audience should be greeted and then give an overview of the event. And next, the welcome speech of the guest includes the introduction of the chief guest, his designation, achievements, contribution to the society, what he has or she has contributed to the society. Okay? So children, here is a sample welcome speech. So, you'll start with, good evening everyone. I extend a warm welcome to all at the 50th annual function of our school. I find immense pleasure in introducing our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Kishori Amankar. She is the finest vocalist of her generation. Born to one of India's music legends, Mughbai Kurdikar, she is the disciple of Sir Ustad Aladia Khan. Though trained by Jaipur Atroli Gharana, she soon moved on to explore music in her own individual way. She is both intellectual and emotional in her approach to music. She is very much inspired by the techniques of the ancient Vedic sagas. Her music has a soul effect to it. The significant awards best owned on her include the Sangeet Natak Academic Award in 1985, the Padma Bhushan in 1987, and the highly coveted Sangeet Samradhani Award, which is considered one of the most prestigious awards in Indian classical music in 1997. We are highly thankful to her for honoring us with her gracious presence. So this is how you will read a welcome speech. And children, here punctuations it plays a very important role. It plays a vital role here. Okay, now read this line. Good evening everyone. There is a full stop, so I'll just pause for a second. I extend a warm welcome to all at the 50th annual function of our school. Again, a pause, okay? And if you find comma, again you'll just keep a pause. I find immense pleasure in introducing our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Kishori Amankar. Again, a pause, okay? This is how you will read a welcome speech, okay? Dear learners, I hope that you have understood the grammar part for the lesson, the second of music, and I hope that you have understood how to write a welcome speech. Thank you, children.